How to link a phone number to your Gmail account on Android. This tutorial walks you through adding your number to your Google account in just a few taps. First, open the any Google associated app on your Android device, for example, Chrome. Go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top right. From there, tap on Manage your Google account. At this point, go ahead and tap on Personal Info. In the next step, scroll down until you see the phone section and tap on it. From there, let me show you. Tap on Add Phone to begin adding your number. At this stage, enter your phone number in the field provided and tap Next. Following this, Google will send a verification code to that number. Go ahead and enter the code when it arrives. Once done, verify to confirm and link your number to your account. From there, your phone number is now successfully linked to your Gmail and Google account. At this stage, keep in mind that your linked phone number is used for account recovery and two-step verification. So if you ever get locked out, Google can send a code directly to your number to help you get back in. Finally, once verified, your number will be active across all Google services, including Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive, keeping your account more secure and easier to recover. And that's it. If this guide helped you link a phone number to your Gmail account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.